Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design, SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. SolidWorks quick tip: how to mirror parts. Creating a mirrored, opposite-hand version of a part in SolidWorks is a common requirement, especially for assemblies with left and right components. SolidWorks offers straightforward methods to mirror parts without recreating the design from scratch. Here's a quick guide to mirroring parts using two popular approaches. Method 1. Mirroring within a part file, configurations. You can store mirrored versions as configurations within the same part file. Create a new configuration. Name it LH for left hand. Select a mirror plane. Choose a face or plane to serve as the mirror plane. Use the mirror feature. In the Command Manager, select the mirror option and choose the bodies to mirror. Uncheck Merge Solids. Delete the original body. Use the Delete, Keep Body command to remove the original. We have a mirrored part. Toggle configurations. Switch between configurations to view left and right-hand versions. Method 2. Creating a mirrored derived part file. This method creates a new, separate part file that is a mirrored version of the original. Open the part. Select a face or plane as the mirror reference. Insert Mirror Part. This command is only available with a plane or face selected. Insert Part Property Manager. Choose which items, solid bodies, custom properties, sketches, to transfer to the new part. Link options. Decide if you want the mirrored part to update when the original changes. You can break this link later if needed. Click OK. The new mirrored part appears as a separate file. We have a mirrored component that we save using different part numbers. Key points. Configurations. Great for managing left, right versions within a single file. Derived parts. Ideal when you need separate part numbers or independent editing. Mirroring parts in SolidWorks is quick and efficient, saving you time and ensuring accuracy in your designs. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video.